Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you a new story again. Maybe you have related to, means you have somewhere uh, read the what moral, but you haven't listened the story yet. So I'm starting the story. The name of the story, The Soldier and Caged Birds. So long time ago, war broke out between England and France. France defeated England after a hard battle. An English soldier was caught and imprisoned in France. Day passed. England and France signed a peace treaty, so the soldier in prison also was released. He was returning home. On the way, he found a bird-seller with many kinds of birds in cages with him. The caged birds gave him the reminder of his imprisoned days. He became shocked and bought all the birds from the seller. He then set them free in the sky. Now beautiful smile hovered in the face of the soldier. So the moral of the story, friend, is the only a sufferer knows the pain of sufferings. Thank you, friends.